Here's an update on my daughter's birthday clock. I had to carve away some more of the inside because when I rotated the hands, it would not function. But now, if you listen, it is functioning properly. I got the pictures glued on the sides of the clock. I'm probably gonna put a piece of trim on the front and the sides to cover up the picture here. But let me turn the clock around. Stand by. I got the back picture mounted. The wood that I use is a different thickness, and that's why you see a line down. I had to use standby. I had to use thinner wood because I was trying to reach the gong, but because I couldn't reach the gong, I modified it so it will reach. But anyway, it works. The pictures are drying, and then I'll put a hole in the side of the pictures for the cuckoo, and put a hole in the back of this picture so I can adjust the gong. It's going to take up a good portion of the house here, but that's alright. But anyway, I got it going. It's looking better. Because it's Christmas, you got these little trees that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm thinking about gluing one of those trees. I got this little vehicle with camper that I could glue on there. I also have these little bitty trees that I could glue on there. Or I could go with these little light posts and the bench. I like the bench, but I like the bigger tree on it. So anyway, I'm contemplating what I want to do for the front. I'm still going to paint. Her favorite color is purple and green, and I'm going to paint all this up on top, and the bottom I will paint green. But anyway, I'm getting there. Hope y'all like it. God bless.